Here at 6, the defense rests in the Brian Walshe murder trial without calling any witnesses, and that includes Brian Walshe himself. Thank you for joining us. I'm David Wade.
And I'm Lisa Hughes. Walshe is accused of murdering his wife, Anna. Earlier in this trial, there were signs that he would take the stand. But as WBZ's Penny Kmitt shows us tonight, something changed.
And what is your decision?
I will not testify.
An answer to the question that has hung over this entire trial. Will Brian Walshe testify? The judge suggesting that he planned to, but changed his mind last minute.
Based on defense counsel's opening statement, it appeared that the defendant was going to testify.
The judge referring to this moment when defense attorney Larry Tipton promised the jury evidence that likely only Walshe could testify to.
You'll hear evidence that he then returned to the bedroom, intending nothing more than to crawl into bed with Anna Walshe, the woman he loved.
The defense requesting that the judge prohibit prosecutors from bringing that up in their closing statements.
The Commonwealth is allowed to get into it a little bit.
I think the fact that he's not up there testifying did leave the jury questioning.
The defense then choosing not to call a single witness.
Defense rests?
Defense rests.
It does seem like the defense strategy took a 180 during trial.
WBZ legal analyst Jennifer Roman says no defendant is ever required to testify during their own trial, and it's the Commonwealth's burden to prove that Walshe killed Anna beyond a reasonable doubt.
But clearly the defense felt confident enough that the prosecution did not meet their burden of proof, that they didn't feel the need to put anybody else on the stand.
And a key decision regarding Walsh's other two charges related to this case. The judge deciding jurors will not know that Walshe pleaded guilty to improper disposal of Anna's body and misleading a police investigation.
Whether or not he is charged or pled guilty is irrelevant to whether he murdered his wife.
So they're not going to be able to consider that one way or the other. But at the same time, is it reasonable for a jury to think that she died an unexpected death and he disposed of her body?
Tomorrow, each side will have about 45 minutes to make their closing arguments. Then jury instruction will be read and deliberations will begin. In Dedham, I'm Penny Kmitt, WBZ News.